Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you very much for being part of my journey, and I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate all the support you've been giving me. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. You're welcome. Otherwise, we talk about technology, simple life hacks using technology, how you can make money using technology, or just acquiring some skills, technology skills. So be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends and your families if you like the contents that I gave you. Otherwise, as usual, all the contents that I give you is 100% legit. They work, and I do give proof of every method that I give. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a very sensitive topic. This topic is going to deal with cryptocurrency, the crypto platform. So there's this new company. It's called CoinPocket. So CoinPocket is a new big thing. I believe it is a new big thing where you get to invest in some new USDT. You invest in, then it gives you back a few percentage. I'll go into details later on. So first of all, we first have to understand what CoinPocket is. So I'll first off start by introducing what CoinPocket is. So let's go to the official website so that I show you what CoinPocket is. Then later on I show you pictures, or rather I go to my phone, show you how to go about registering using the codes and how it works and how it does all the marketing strategies. Okay, so guys, now this is the official website for CoinPocket. So from their official website, this is where you can download the same CoinPocket application, because for you to use CoinPocket, it should be installed on your phone. So you can either download it by clicking either on Google Play, just click on it, and then you click on install, but then that should be down on your phone, not on your computer. And as you can see, I already told you it's a big thing. As you can see the reviews, it's already at 4.8 ratings. So, or you can just do a direct download from there. If you're using an Android, an APK, yeah, it has started downloading. Or if you're using an iPhone, you can click on the H5 link, and then it will start downloading as well. So so from this website, I want to keep this video simple and short for everyone to understand. As usual, everyone is into making money, so I'll jump right into the strategies on how CoinPocket makes money. So you'd find that from exchange A, Bitcoin is going at 39,500, and then on exchange B, Bitcoin is going at 40,000 US dollar. That's one Bitcoin. So what it does, say you invest in one Bitcoin on this platform, what it will do is it will go direct to buy from the cheapest market. So in this case, it will get from exchange B, and then later on sell the Bitcoin asset, the one Bitcoin asset, to channel B. So hence, this platform, the robots they use, it's the robot that we're going to use is going to give you a profit of $500. That's the profit it will give you. So this is my favorite plan. This is my favorite investment plan by far. Okay, so there's this other method, the return method. It's called the return method. So when the user's monthly income is at the level of 30%, so let's say a user invests in 1,000 this month, then that user will end up earning 1,300 after 1 month. And then if the user gets the whole 1,300 and invests it again for the second month, which means they will end up getting 1,690 USD. Again, when they get the whole 1,900 USD, they invest it 1,690 USD. 30% of that should give them 2,197 US dollars. So this is the other method that's quite amazing to me. That's just like free money working for you. So let's go through the process of registering. So step 1, download the application. Then once the application is downloaded, it will bring you to this page. What you need to do is you just click on register an account. Then on register an account, make sure that make sure that the location code is correct, and then you even enter the number. And then for the invitation code, you should enter the invitation code that I'm sure is flashing on the screen, or you find it in the description below. Once you are done with the registration process and you have verified with your phone number with the one-time pin, you will access the wallet, which is the home page. And then from there, that's why you should now deposit some money for you to invest in. The minimum is $10 US. So I would recommend you invest in USDT. Well, after you deposit to fund your wallet with USDT, you now have to go to market. That's why you find USDT, Bitcoin, but I would recommend that to go for USDT. You can give it a try with a 1-day trial, where it gives you 30% of that money just for investing it for 1 day. Or you can give it a 15-day trial or a 30-day trial. But I would recommend you start with a 1-day trial. So you invest in that $10 US. 24 hours after investing in, 30% of that should be like $3? Yeah, $3. So then you accumulate $13 by the end. And before I forget, there's this other method on how you can make more money by inviting more people. So you easily get 10% of whatever money they make when you invite them. So invite as many people as you can. Use your link, use your code to invite your friends. That's where you get the invitation code from. With all that said, this is a screenshot of the transaction I completed and I withdrew. So yes, guys, I'm happy to share with you this information. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment, and all that. Thank you very much.